Choosing a powerful OS for your home server or NAS, let's compare CASAos and TrueNAS in 2025. Their strengths, weaknesses, and which is best for you. CASAos offers a clean and modern UI made for beginners. TrueNAS, while more technical, offers detailed control, especially with its core and scale editions. Features: TrueNAS is enterprise-grade, supports ZFS, snapshots, encryption, multi-user access, and serious data protection. CASAOS is focused on simplicity, app installs, personal file access, and media streaming. TrueNAS is better for large-scale or advanced setups, perfect for power users or prosumers. CASAOS is lightweight and ideal for Raspberry Pi or low-powered machines. CASAOS is plug and play. TrueNAS needs some technical understanding, especially for ZFS configuration and volume management. Pick CASAOS if you are a beginner or just need a smooth home server for media or light uses. Choose TrueNAS if you want robust storage, security, and advanced file control. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Thank you so much for watching.